Okay, so we've been on the expressway for a while, and as you see, my gas mileage has gone to 19.3 miles average. And I still have the thing plugged in, all taped up right there. So, yeah, I get better gas mileage running on V8 all the time. And I mean, we're doing a pretty good clip too. We're doing almost 80 miles an hour. And I mean, it's just keep on chugging along. And there's not a bunch of like goofy transmission shifts and stuff like that. And none of the other stuff that normally happens when it goes down into the V4 and all that. Whoa! Phone command. I hit a button. Anyways, exit. Goodbye to you. So, anyway, 19.2, 19.3. Doing pretty good. Like I said, I mean, we're on the expressway. I mean, we're not screwing around on some little road doing 20 miles an hour for 2 hours. It's back up to 19.3. That adjustment going. So anyway, all right. Yep, I absolutely believe that you need to get that active fuel management system dupa floppy, and I'll link it in my description. And yeah, it's a link that I get a little bit for, but man, it's the best thing you'll do for your Chevy Silverado. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.